In this video, I'll show you how to create columns in Monday.com. Start by opening the board where you want to add columns. Once the board loads, look across the top row where your current column titles are displayed. Use the horizontal scroll bar at the bottom to go all the way to the far right side of the board until you see a plus button. Click that plus button to add a new column. A menu will appear showing different column types you can choose from. You'll see options like status, date, people, numbers, timeline, tags, and more. Click on the type of column you want to create. For example, if you want to track timelines, choose the timeline column. As soon as you select it, the column will automatically appear on your board. Now click on the column title at the top and type a custom name for the column. Press enter to save the name. You can repeat this process to create additional columns for your workflow. If you want to rearrange columns, click and hold the column title, then drag it left or right into a new position. To edit a column later, hover over the column title and click the three dot menu icon. From there, you can change settings, rename the column, or adjust labels. Using the right columns helps organize your board more efficiently and makes tracking information easier. And that's how to create columns in Monday.com.